Hello everyone, it's Antonella. Welcome, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. We're going to get into what affiliate marketing is, help you with the basic definition, and if you hold on for a moment, I'll tell you the biggest reason why affiliate marketers fail and why people think it's a scam. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way for you to run a business and sell products without having to go through the pain and expense of product development. That's actually a really big deal because if you've ever had to do product development, it's very costly. And you can do it without having to provide customer support. So how does it work exactly? So you as an affiliate earn a commission when someone purchases a product that you are promoting, and you are promoting someone else's product. So it's not your own. You go out and find a niche that you are interested in, something that you know a lot about, and you promote products that you have actually used. Cannot stress this enough. You never want to promote something that you have never used before because you need to have the experience. You need to be able to answer people's questions about the product. And then the third part of this is once you pick that product, you'll get a link that's called an affiliate link. You will share that link. And when people use that link and make a purchase, you receive a commission, and they know that it was you who should get that commission because that link is tied to you. This is one of those few instances you've heard of win-wins. Well, this is a win-win-win. Everybody wins. You as the affiliate win because you received the commission off of the product that you were promoting. The person who owns the product wins because they've received another customer or client who's going to reap the benefits of their product without them having to do any of that sales and marketing. And the customer benefits because they now get to reap the benefits of that product that will help them achieve whatever it is that they're looking for. We're going to take a moment and we're going to hop on over to look at one of the affiliate marketplaces. There are many. And we're going to see it in action so that you can get a better sense of how this works. Please understand that any results that you see on the internet of people who have, $100 a day, $800 a day, whatever that may be, those results are not typical. No one can guarantee your success. And a lot of people, as we mentioned a little bit earlier, a lot of people fail at affiliate marketing. So I like to caution people, just set that expectation. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of hard work and time. However, there are benefits to it and you can reap the rewards. So let's hop on over and we're going to look at Clickbank. I think it's the easiest one for beginners to get started with for a couple of reasons. One, their website is very easy to navigate. So Clickbank, they have been around a very long time. They've been around 20 years plus. And you can join their site by becoming an affiliate. That's the person who promotes someone else's products. Or you can become a seller, and that's a person who, as a vendor, you have the products that other people will be marketing for you. So, if you want to join, you would come over here to the and you would either log in with your account or sign up to be to their program. Once you have an account and you log in, you would do searches and you would find a product that you're interested in. For purposes of this, we're going to search for something in health and fitness. A lot of people do find that this is a very profitable niche. I personally do not have anything in this niche today. However, there are billions of people in the world, and those billions of people, there is always someone looking for a way to promote their health, to be healthier. So that's why this is a niche that so many people, especially beginners, join to sell products. A couple of things to keep in mind about Clickbank specifically. They have something that is called a gravity number, and that is an indication of how well the product is being sold. And you can come over here and you can set a gravity number. You can set how much money you want to make as an affiliate. So starting at $100 or more is a good way to be profitable, and that's why so many people will tell you that you can earn $100 a day. If you pick a product where your commission is $100 and you can get enough people and make only one sale a day, that's how they can make that claim. And a lot of people are doing that. The gravity indicator, again, I choose things only over 25. Anything less, your chances of sales are less. And those vendors tend to not have as much support for you to be able to sell their product. Another thing that I look for is a vendor that has affiliate pages that will provide me more information about the benefits of the product and help me sell it better. So let's pretend that we clicked on that. And so this page for this product, you can find information about the product and what those benefits are, which help you with selling it. And this particular vendor has chosen to have you fill out a form to get more information about their product. Once you decide on the product you want to promote, you'll hit this promote button. A pop-up opens up and you hit this generate hop links. And this hop link is the link that you will use that becomes your affiliate link. So now we're going to go back into our presentation and we're going to take a look at, there are benefits for everyone here. So as the vendor who has the product, they only pay for sales. What does that mean? They're not out there investing more dollars on marketing and such. That's what you are doing. And they only pay you when you do have a sale. Their responsibility is to create high converting sales pages, doing that product development and research, and providing you those benefits that will make it a compelling offer for the people that you bring to this product to want to purchase. You as the affiliate, the good news is you don't have to do any product development, which is very costly. You don't have to do the research into creating those high converting sales pages. Doing that type of research is very costly and very expensive. You are responsible for driving traffic. Now, driving traffic is not an easy thing. However, it is your responsibility to do that. It's one of the reasons why I firmly believe in the use of YouTube to help drive traffic, because YouTube is one of those free sources and it's something that everyone can leverage. So again, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a lot of work and time. And remember how I told you I was going to tell you the biggest reason why people fail? That's why. So many people fail because they don't realize that affiliate marketing is hard work and it will require a lot of time. They don't give it the time and effort to develop their marketing skills, to bring the traffic to the product, and they give up too quickly. So for affiliate marketing, the biggest factor in your success is getting and driving that traffic. Do you know how to drive that traffic? In some of my other videos, I talk about leveraging YouTube to generate that traffic and get ranked on the first page of Google, which is a huge benefit to anyone doing this type of marketing. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to receive a notification. Have a great day.